Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see market right now is confirming our suggestion that probably it will turn to the deeper downward retracement as we have suggested in last week, when we have seen some not quite rational and natural price action in relation to the pattern that was developing at that moment. So if you remember, we have discussed this ABCD pattern, and as soon as market has turned down and wasn't able to hold above this first support, the deeper retracement was already unnatural, because here guys, market stands between the major targets, and it could show some retracement, but it should not be too significant. If market shows deep retracement between the targets, it means that something is changing, and this pattern probably stands on the hazard of the destruction, because deep retracement here is not a rational behavior from the market mechanics point of view. That really has happened. So market first dropped to 1231 area, and now this level already has been broken. So we can see market has exceeded the harmonic swing of this action right now, that we see on the daily chart. Although this is not really some surprise, or really this action has no strategy, because if you remember, even last month we said that this rally has started. We said that sooner or later the market will turn down with the deep retracement, because this drop was really fast. Actually, we have expected it to get here, but here this hasn't happened, and markets continue to move higher. But right now it seems that this really could happen, and it's already happening. So speaking from the perspective of the harmonic swing, usually when the market breaks it, it should double it, and double harmonic swing leads market precisely to the 1180 support. But at the same time, as you can see on the way down, stands very strong support area on the daily chart. This is 1210 confidence support. It's accompanied by the monthly period support one. And probably here market could show some bounce, some retracement maybe. So it'll be normal behavior. Definitely that right now the major driving factor will be the non-farm payrolls release, and not just the employment numbers, but mostly even the probably wage inflation. So how wage have changed since the recent last report. So what inflation they show. So right now the raters poll expect to get 190,000 of the new job created. Let's keep in mind this number, because this will be probably important for those of you who trade the data releases, especially non-farm payrolls release. So what we could get today, so as you can see, market's approaching to this strong support. Since this still 2 sessions before non-farm payrolls release, maybe market will get some relief today, and could show some upward action here. Take a look on the follow time frame chart. Our suggestion of the hand shoulders haven't been confirmed. This indicates how market really weak right now, and it wasn't able even to form normal shoulder as here. Yes, minor bounce has happened. Market has reached the necessary level, but the way how it has done it, it's not quite the shoulder, because it should not take just 2 candles here. It should become some consolidation, something of that sort, but in this place. But this hasn't happened. Market has dropped. It just shows how market is weak right now. So also we see some other sources of bearish confirmation. So if you'll take a look at the statistics of this Peter fund, you will see that outflow has happened yesterday, and this outflow was really significant. It's approximately 8 tons the fund has lost in the 2 sessions. So this is really significant amount of the outflow, and this confirms our suggestion that the downward retracement probably will be deeper. So take a look where market could get support. You could see that on the way down we have the same our lightning bolt patterns, A, B, C top. Here was 100%. Market has shown the equal retracement compared to this one. Now it stands on the way down. Next support will stand at 1208 approximately. Also guys, we should keep an eye on this butterfly, because we know that the minimal retracement where we could treat this butterfly as a complete is the 3.8 of the whole upward direction, but also butterfly has ultimate targets as a reversal pattern, and they are stand as extensions. So from the whole butterfly swing, we should count down the extensions 127, so 1203, and 1618. That tells approximately 1187. So you can see on the way down, the market will complete the ultimate target of the butterfly. It stands very close to daily deep support. It's 1175, 1180 area, something here. On our hourly chart, guys, we do not see something really special. As you can see, market is taking the shape of this downward channel. It's really narrow, and this market stands in the narrow channel and shows just minor respect to strong levels. Recall, guys, that this was the conference support. This was just minor retracement. So it was agreement. That's why here it suggests that downward action probably will continue. Lower border of the consolidation stands approximately at 1204, 1203 area, and it coincides with these short-term targets this market could reach. Also take a look at market is now dropping below the weekly pivot support one, and it tells that it's not just a retracement within the long-term bull trend, but this also could be the reversal, and market now stands in the short-term bear trend. And this also suggests that retracement probably will become deeper on the daily chart. So that's been said. Today we are watching for reaching of 1203, 1203, 1204 area is the support where market could show some upward bounce.